About time I bring this Road King out, let you know what it looks like. It's my baby. This is my 05 Road King Classic in lava red, coming out of the trailer. So let's get a look at this baby. She's a 05 Road King Classic. We only got 24,000 some odd miles on it. Got her stripped down right now, traveling light. I do have the bags and the classic bags and the tour pack to match it. We're camping here right next to the pavement, so I couldn't resist bringing my baby along. This is Lake Creek, comes out of Subtle Lake. That's my dog Jake. He likes to get rocks. He spends a lot of time packing rocks out of the creek. There's our camp over there. It's our 05 Simba by Safari. And yeah, we got good social distance here. Our neighbors are pretty far over. And here we are. '05 came stock as a 88 cubic inch. This one, as far as I know, got the 96 inch kit in it. Neutral. Got Phython exhaust.